Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game keeps crashing on launch, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing on launching easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Explorer and then you're going to go to Crimson Desert's folder. So if you have the game on Steam, the default location should be in your C drive, Program Files 86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then Crimson Desert here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to delete this CrimsonDesert.exe file. Do not worry, we will re-download this file again. So just delete this file here. And once you're done deleting it, open up Steam and you're going to right click on Crimson Desert. I'm going to use it in the game as an example. You're going to go into properties and then you're going to go into install files. Here, you're going to click onto verify integrity of games files. Once you click onto that, it will verify the game's files and it will re-download that CrimsonDesert.exe file that we just deleted. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into general and you're going to make sure to add either -dx11 or dx12 here, so you can try both of them, check which one works for you. After that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here graphic settings, and then you're going to click on to add desktop app here. You're going to go to the Crimson Desert exe file, so the same location that we just showed, Crimson Desert exe here. Click add here and then click onto this Crimson Desert exe in this list. Click onto GPU preference and then set it to high performance. After that, now you can try to play the game and you'll see that your game will not crash on launch anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like.